Once upon a time, physical design aesthetic was the bastion of the French fashion industry and, well, Italian sports cars. But not anymore. Today, the physical experience or look of any product that a customer interacts with is expected to make them feel cool, alive, sexy. Okay, maybe that last part is a bit of an exaggeration, but you get the point. Tomorrow's successful product will need to do more than just function. It needs to look good. So, just what does this mean for us? Well, more to the point, with so much market energy driving form factors to look cool, how exactly will the electronics team fit their stuff into the proverbial box? The answer seems simple. Add another dimension. Several years ago, Altium saw where this physical design thing was heading and how heavily it would affect the electronics designer. At first, we did the only thing that any traditional EDA company would do. We denied and avoided the real problem. Instead, we provided the same solution as everyone else. You know, generate the 3D files so you could throw them over the wall to the MCAD guys. The problem was, we kind of knew this approach didn't work too well. So, after offering the same thing as everyone else for a while, we decided to grow some bollocks, go it alone, and actually solve this thing properly. But what exactly would this entail? Well, for starters, we would need to create a completely new three-dimensional visualization system, a system that could handle the hundreds of thousands of elements in a typical PCB and allow for design rule checking at the PCB design level. You combine this with dynamically linking this 3D model of the product from the MCAD space back into the PCB design space and do it all in real time. Well, that's exactly what we did. A few years to build, but a system that completely replaces the traditional two-dimensional PCB layout process with a fully blown three-dimensional PCB environment was absolutely imperative in order to progress to the next generation of design software. From here, everything else was academic. With the visualization of the physical design brought to life within the PCB space, it wasn't too big a step to provide real-time 3D interference checking and dynamically link models in the ECAD space back to the models in the MCAD tools. 3D visualization is just one aspect of how Altium is revolutionizing electronic design. So, if you want to see what the next generation of design tools looks like, you've come to the right place.